Hi there, Physics 131. I just wanted to give you a couple of pointers for going into the term test, which is on Tuesday, October 11th at 6 o'clock. So you can imagine you go down to 255 McCall Street, you find your right EX room. It's either going to be 100, which is sort of downstairs, 200, which is a little bit up, or one of the 300, 310, or 320 rooms up on the third floor. You can settle in. The rooms should be open at 6, but we won't start writing until 6:10. And what you'll do is you'll walk around until you find a table that has test papers already sitting on it, and then you got to put down all the things that you need. So let's go to my .cam and I'll show you what's on my table right now. Okay, so I can see two things here. One's called question paper, and one is this just blank thing. And it says, do not open this paper until you are told to begin the test. Now I brought my watch, and it says it's 6:07 right now, so I've still got 3 minutes, but I'm allowed to fill in my identifying information. So let's just look at the instructions, shall we? Term test 1, version A, October 11th, duration 80 minutes, so I've got till 7:30. Aids allowed, a calculator with no communication ability. Luckily I have that sitting right there. Just really quickly, you want to make sure that you are not accidentally set in like radians mode. So that's sort of important. If I was to type like sine of 90 degrees, I'd want to get 1, right? Blah! I got 0.899. So that means 90 radians. That's wrong. So what I have to do is figure out how to do that. In this calculator, you click DERG, and now when I do sine 90, enter, I get 1. So good, that's good. You should also know how to enter, big numbers. If I had 6 billion or something, I might do 6. You have to find the E button of 9, then that's 6 billion. Or maybe you should be able to do 6 billionths, right? So 6 E negative 9, 6 billionths. So that's important to know how to do, and how to do your cos functions. You should know how to do like square root of 5 or something. Okay, be used to your calculator. All right, what else do I have? A single handwritten aid sheet prepared by the student, written on both sides. So I've only written on one. These are the ones, you guys know me. I can never remember all the equations of constant acceleration. So from chapter 2, so that's what's on my aid sheet. But you can put anything you want on there. Okay, and you can have a hard copy English translation dictionary if you wish. I don't have one of those. Turn off any communications device, so any phones or smartwatches or anything, they have to be put away with your belongings at the edge of the room. You cannot look at those things during the test, or you are making an academic violation. Print in block letters your name, student, version code at the top of both multiple choice answer sheet and the written problem answer sheet. Okay. The hell are block letters? I think it just means capitals. So this is the written answer sheet. I'm going to put Harlow, comma Jason. Did I bring my T card? Wait, yes, I did. There's me with a beard. So there's my student number, 001 04 4674. Version code. What the heck is that? That is, so everyone's going to have their own version, or there's 3 different versions you can have. That's version A. And let's also just do it on the other side as well. It's just scanning both of these. Harlow, Jason, version A, ID 001 44674. Section, I guess I'm in LEC 0101, October 11th, 2022. Okay. And anything else? Use a black pen. I'm using blue, should be okay. Do not write anything else on the multiple choice answer sheet. The first part of the test consists of 10 multiple choice questions, 2 points each, or altogether 20 points. Each multiple choice question has 1 best answer and up to 4 answers that are not the best. Blank, incorrect, or multiple answers are awarded 0 points. Note that only the bubbled answer sheet is marked for the multiple choice part. In fact, only these questions up to 10. All the rest of these you don't need. Anything you write in the booklet is ignored. Second part of this test is a written problem worth 8 points to be awarded maximum credit. You must write out a fully worked solution in the space provided. So that means this big blank space on the written answer sheet. That's where you write that. Only what you write within the box in the answer sheet will be graded. And I think that is it. So 2 other quick things, I guess. Wait until, so don't open your question paper until the invigilator says over the microphone something, you may begin. So that's important. They will announce sometimes, so probably halfway through the test, they'll say there's 40 minutes remaining. Then you'll hear that there's 10 minutes remaining. If you finish a bit early, like 30 minutes early or something, you can probably turn it in and walk out early. That should be fine. If you are still there within the final 10 minutes from 7:20 to 7:30, everyone in the last 10 minutes must remain in their seat. So even if you finish early at that point, you have to just wait patiently with your test on your paper until everyone says the test is over. So until the announcer says the test is now over, you must stop writing. At that point, you have to put down your pen and just wait. And what we ask you to do is take your bubble sheet and just slip it under your question paper, because you have to turn in both at the end. And then the invigilators, you must remain in your seat while the invigilator goes around, and there's going to be a lot of invigilators that are going to collect all the papers in the room. Once all the papers are collected and in the hands of the invigilator, they'll say, "You are dismissed, you may leave," and then you can stand up and leave. So it's sort of the whole procedure there. But yeah, you'll get used to it, and I hope it all goes very smoothly for you. And I'll talk to you. I'll put another video with the solutions after you're all done. So good luck. Bye.